Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Versatile digital drum kit. The portable drum set is developed to resemble, sound and play like an actual drum set at a fraction of the size. Play the drums to pre-recorded drum kits and songs or record your own. Connect to Mac and PC. You can connect the drums table to your computer using the USB cable. It'll function as a MIDI controller for your favorite computer software to get even more functionality. Play the drums anywhere. This portable drum kit is powered by the included AC adapter, or you can go wireless and runs on batteries. 6C size batteries. Take your drum kit wherever you go. Play for one. Play for all. Pump up the volume with the digital drum machine and play for a crowd, or take advantage of the headphone jack and plug in your headphones for a personal drumming session. Edit and record. The drum's digital top panel control center comes equipped with an LCD screen and a ton of audio configuration controls that will allow you to create some truly unique and customizable music. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Conveniently compact and ideal for drumming at home. The TD07DMK V-Drums kit delivers the superior expression and playability of high-end V-drums in a budget-friendly package. Since 1997, Roland V-Drums have earned their position as the industry standard in electronic drums, often imitated but never equaled. V-Drums offer the sound, feel, and playing experience of an acoustic kit, backed up by technology, features, and reliability that you won't find anywhere else. Roland's legendary, ultra-quiet, double-ply mesh heads feature across the snare and tom pads, providing an unrivaled feel and won't disturb other people with a near-silent playing experience. The TD07DMK also lets you explore creative opportunities that go far beyond any acoustic kit, with deep editing tools to craft custom sounds, onboard Bluetooth to play along with music tracks and lessons, USB to connect with computer recording software, and much more. Includes 40 free lessons from Melodics. TD07 module with 25 preset kits, 25 user kits, and 143 instruments. V-Edit, EQ, Ambience, and 30 multi-effects offer deep editing tools to create your perfect drum kit sounds. Show more. The number 2 on the list is many positive reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Electronic drum kit powered by mesh technology. All mesh drum heads deliver the most realistic, responsive and immersive playing experience modern drummers demand. Premium 7-piece drum set, 8 mesh snare drum and 3 8 inches mesh toms, 3 10 inches cymbals and custom-designed Alesis hi-hat pedal and kick pedal. Packed with sounds. Turbo drum module with 10 ready-to-play classic and modern drum kits. 30 play-along tracks and 100+ expertly curated sounds. Powerful educational features, 30 built-in play-along tracks. Metronome. O input and drum coach help to hone and develop your drum skills. Everything you need. Sturdy steel rack. Connection cables. Drumsticks. Drum key and power supply included. The number one on the list is. This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Feel the difference Mesh makes. All Mesh electronic drum kit heads deliver the most realistic, responsive and immersive playing experience drummers demand. Premium 8-piece drum set, 8-inch dual-zone snare pad, 3 8-inch tom drums and 3 10-inch cymbals, ride cymbal, hi-hat, crash with choke, in-demand sound, Nitro drum module with 40 ready-to-play classic and modern drum kits, 60 play-along tracks and 350-plus expertly curated acoustic, electric drum set sounds. Powerful educational features, 60 built-in play-along tracks. Sequencer, metronome, O input and performance recorder help to hone and develop your drum skills. Everything you need, 4-post aluminium rack. Connection cables. Drumsticks. Drum key and power supply included. Interactive drum set lessons included, 60 free virtual lessons from melodics to hone your skills. For any genre or technique you want to master,